How to create Windows 10 bootable USB using Media Creation tool. Download Create Windows 10 installation media from the below link. https://www.microsoft.com/n-us/software-download/Windows 10. Launch the newly downloaded Media Creation tool. Accept the license conditions by clicking the Accept button. Choose Create installation media for another PC, and continue. Either choose Use the suggested choices for this PC, or select the language you prefer, the edition, Windows X, and 32 or 64-bit. If uncertain, try 64-bit, and click Next. Choose between a ISO file or a USB flash drive. If you choose ISO, wait for the file to download and insert the disk when prompted by the program. If you choose USB, wait for the file to download and enter the USB into the computer. Please keep in mind that this will erase all data on the USB drive.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and activate bell icon for more updates.